Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could create images like this for free in just a few minutes? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shah Faisal Shaikh. Are you tired of your social media feed looking a little boring? Today I am going to show you how to use a powerful AI tool to create stunning viral worthy images that will make your friends ask, how did you do that? And the best part, I'm going to give you the exact prompt I used to create these incredible pictures. But there is a catch. I'm not giving away the secret prompts until the very end of the video. So make sure you watch every second because I will walking you through my entire process step by step. You will learn how to take your ideas and turn them into mind-blowing AI art. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's jump right in. The tool we are using today is called Nano Banana. First, you will want to head over to the website. Go to gemini.google.com. I am going to show you how I generated one of these images. I will explain my thought process, the keyword I use, and the setting I tweak to get to the perfect result. I will use a basic prompt for this demonstration, but remember, the super detailed secret prompts are coming up at the end. You can follow the same process on your phone as well. Just go to gemini.google.com, click on tools, click on create images, and from here you can add your images. First you need a clear photo of yourself with your face. So I have used this image of mine to create and edit the images, and I have also used this other images of celebrities to create the photo of a girl in a sari. And all these prompts are trending. You can also use this prompt to make yourself look handsome or beautiful. As you can see, I have used this photo of mine. It has clear detail of my face. I have uploaded this. Then I have given this prompt, the exact prompt. You can also give this exact prompt to generate the image like this. So as you can see, if you want to create festive photo like this, you can use this prompt. And now as you can see, I have generated an image like this. Upload your photo, type this prompt. I have added all this prompt in a PDF. So at the end of the video, I will give you the PDF. So wait till the end of the video. If you want to create an image like this, you can see you can create this image with a simple prompt like this. I have uploaded this image and I have created this image in a sari. If you want to create same image like this, you can use this prompt. And it is a very simple prompt. It is not long. These are some of the examples which I have created. I am showing you the results. As you can see, you can also create these sari images of yourself exactly like this. You can also change the color of the sari, or you can also change the background. So only you have to do is change the color royal blue to red. So as you can see, the images look very beautiful. So you can create these images. I am showing you all the examples which I have already created it. So this image looks really fantastic. As you can see, you can also create a thumbnail of your YouTube video if you are a content creator. So you have to just edit this prompt and it will generate your image. Only thing you have to do is you have to upload your image in 16:19 ratio. If you need the output of your image to be 16:9, you have to upload your image in the 16:9 format. So as you can see, I have also created a cyberpunk image. I have also turned myself into a cartoon character. You can see this sari image looks very beautiful. So as you can see, I have also created this image. The prompt is really simple. I have just uploaded a simple image with a clear detail of the face and other things it has created itself. As you can see, she looks very beautiful in this image. As you can see, I have created this image of myself. As you can see, this image of mine look really realistic. Okay, are you ready? You have watched the whole video and now it's time for the reward. As promised, here are the exact copy and paste prompt I used to create all the amazing images you saw today. Go ahead and take a screenshot and try this out for yourself. Let me know in the comment which one is your favorite, and if you want this PDF, you can join my Telegram channel and Discord server to get this PDF, and you can just copy paste all this prompt. I have also uploaded the reference images which will output this prompt, so it will get easy for you, so you don't have to waste your Google Gemini Nano Banana credit, because with Google Gemini you can only generate some limited amount of images. So if you found this tutorial helpful and want more secret prompts and AI tool breakdowns, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We are on a mission to hit 100, then 1000, then 50,000 subscribers, and every single subscription helps. And the conversation doesn't have to end here. I have created exclusive Discord and Telegram channel where I share even more prompts, behind the scenes content, and we can all talk about the latest in AI. The links are in the description below. Join our community. Finally, if this video helped you, please give it a like and and drop a comment below. It tells YouTube that you enjoyed it and helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see the incredible images you all create. Now that you know how to generate viral AI photos, you are probably wondering what's next. Well, in my next video, I am going to show you how to take these images and animate them into eye-catching videos using another free AI tool. Click the video on the screen right now to watch it. See you in the next one.